How to copy and paste later. Let's say I want to take this title, I'm going to select it, Control C to copy, and then maybe I forget to paste at that time. I come up here, I start changing a few things around, I come and select the text here, I copy that, then I go back and I want to paste my original title in here. I'm going to select this because I want to paste over it, Control V, and I've pasted the second bit that I copied. So what happened to the first part? I'm going to do Control Z to go back on that. So instead of Control V, I'm going to press Windows V. And that brings up the clipboard history. I'm going to move this up a little bit here. So you can see I have this bit that I just copied, integrate graphics and text, but I also have the first part that I copied, driving target and sustainable targets. So if I click here now, I can copy the right one into my slide. Let's just have a look at that clipboard group again. So Windows and V will bring up the clipboard. So you can see there's a pin at the bottom of the text that I selected. So I have the option to pin this text permanently to the clipboard history, as I have done below. So this example here, the hashtags, these are the hashtags that I use when I'm posting on LinkedIn. So rather than type them all out, I have them pinned here so that every time I post on LinkedIn, all I need to do is press Windows V and I can choose to paste those hashtags. I don't have to keep typing everything out manually. So I could choose to pin one of these items. And if I clear all, if I click on the clear all button, it will clear any of the history I have that isn't pinned. So the integrate graphics and text, when I click clear all, that one will disappear. And the pinned items will stay until I choose to unpin them. So the clipboard history that you see here will be from this Windows session. So it'll be from when you logged on to your laptop and until you switch it off. The next day you won't see that history unless it's pinned. If I want to unpin this one now, I can click on that pin. And when that goes from black to white, it's not pinned anymore. And then I have the clear all button. So then I can clear that one and remove it. There's a couple of other things that might be of interest to you in this group. Firstly, we have symbols. And there's some handy things here, like we've got currency symbols. So we've got euro, yen. We've also got some interesting ones here. We've got degrees C, centigrade. We've got degrees F for Fahrenheit. We've got a copyright symbol. We've got a registered symbol. So there's a few other things that could be of interest there as well. If I click on the back button, I will come back and it's going to bring me also to the emoji group. So I can also look for the history of emojis that I've used more recently. I can click on the emoji button to show all emojis. If I click on the back button, I can come back to this group. I've got GIFs here and a few other options. But this is the one we're interested in today, and that's the clipboard history. I can get to that clipboard history if I have the emoji window open as well. It's the same window. So this is a tool in Windows 11, and it's something that I use all the time, the pinned clipboard history. So I hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe if you did, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.